And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how to create this color animation frame. Get this footage right here. Whatever footage you've got, just make sure that it's selected in the timeline, left click on it, and then you should see the video basic options on the right. Scale it down just a little bit. I believe 90% is already too much, but we'll work with that for now. Now we'll add a plain white background. Go to stock material. And there you should find a white background. If you don't, just type in white into the search bar above. You want to resize it to have it as big as your footage. So select it, go to speed, and here make it 10 seconds. Then press B for the split tool, and I split it right here at the end. Delete the rest. And now we'll go to effects and type in, for example, orange, and you should find this orange negative. Download it and then drag and drop it only onto the white element. So don't click on the plus sign, it would add it to both clips in the timeline. We want to only add it to the white element. And as long as this is selected, we can adjust the speed and the color range right here. This is not the only inbuilt video effect that can achieve this, but let me first scale it up a little bit to 95%, it looks better. There's also a colorful, so let me type that in and hope that it finds it. And it does right here. So colorful, that's the other effect name. You can drag and drop it on the white element once again. This should add both effects, so just make sure to deselect it and then select it again. Go to effects, open the drop down, and here you can trash the orange negative, get rid of it. So now only the colorful is active. And I believe there's a third one that would work. It should be purple negative. Let me try that. So orange, colorful, and then this purple. Here it is. Once again, just make sure to drop it onto your background and not the footage above. And then you've got this animated colored frame. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.